Let's get started with the second part of our Understanding SEO mini-series, where we talk about keywords and how to unlock your content using simple words and phrases. So, what are keywords and why are they important? Keywords are simple words and phrases that people use to search for what they're looking for online. In order for Google to consider you a credible resource, they need to be able to understand the content on any specific page of your website. So, these are the words that people will type into their Google search bar to try to find something that they're looking for online. The keywords that you choose affects how Google ranks your content. So let's explain the different types of keywords. So short tail and mid tail keywords. Short tail and mid tail keywords consist of one or two words that get a lot of search volume. These highly searched words are usually more competitive and harder to get ranked for. Here are some examples of short and mid tail keywords. Words like hair salon, home builder, rental apartment, fashion, website design. They're really quite vague, highly searched, and highly competitive. So then we get into long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are more detailed terms that get less search traction, but are also less competitive and attract more qualified traffic. So here are some examples of long tail keywords: wedding hair salons near me, Toronto luxury home builders. So as you can see, by adding in a few extra words can start to help target what people are actually looking for so that they're getting the relevant content that they're looking for. Choosing the right keywords. So let's consider what search terms you want people to use to find you. Are those words used on your website? So think like your ideal customer. What might they be typing in to find what you have to offer? Use keywords and phrases that describe your business, products, or services on your web pages. Assume your audience has no idea who you are or what you have to offer, but they have an idea of what they're looking for. So do more of this. Consider what your audience might be typing into the Google search engine and use those keywords and phrases in the content of your website. Use similar variations of the same terms in your page content where it makes sense. Create new relevant content all the time. And that means updating the content on your static pages, writing new blogs, creating new video content that organically contain those keywords and phrases. And track your results and don't be afraid to change things up and test out new terms to try to improve your search results. Don't be very vague and assume that Google will know how to rank your website. Don't use the same keywords on multiple posts and pages over and over and over again. Don't forget that relevant content is why people use Google in the first place. Avoid keyword stuffing. This means repeating the same keywords in your content, being very redundant. You want to make an effort to talk to people on like a normal person. So, where do keywords go on your website? There are a number of places you can strategically add keywords on your web pages and posts in order for Google to notice you. And you can add keywords in the following places: in your paragraph text, in your H1 and H2 heading text, in your titles and meta descriptions, in your alt text. So, did we just become SEO friends? Now that you've learned about keywords and creating relevant content is the biggest driver of SEO. So, in the next lesson, we'll cover what is considered good content and why it's important for SEO. So now that you've gained some new knowledge on keywords, you can head over to our next session, which will be video 3, or you can wait for it to pop up in your email tomorrow if that's how you found us. Thanks for joining us for our Understanding SEO mini-series.